Good evening. Today we are going to learn about how to upgrade your phone. You can subscribe to my channel on Robert Aqua. So let's get started. To upgrade your phone, you have to go to your menu. Then you locate your settings. So I'm locating my settings. There's it. So you open it. After locating your settings, you go through the options. You select system. It is usually the last option. After selecting system, you go to system update. Now, I have two options here. One says online update and local update. The online update, you can do it whilst you have the internet connection on. With the local update, unless you have the file, the upgraded file on your phone. Because I don't have, I will select the online update. Now, it says download via mobile network may cause additional charges. Yes, I have internet, so let me continue. Continue. So this the screen that will appear. Now, the last day I updated my phone was on 5th April 2020. So if there's an update, I will just have to click on check for update. So you can do same for your own. Because my own, I've already done the update. It will come back to the same screen. But your own, because you have not done it, when you click on it, it will upgrade your phone for you. So that is how you can update your phone. Thank you very much. You can still subscribe to my channel.